here is measured, deliberate, and regulated.
Control, not chaos, defines the beginning of transformation.
It ends, and material begins.
Quality begins long before the factory floor.
Preparation defines the standard of what follows.
Once secured, the raw material begins its controlled journey.
Distance adds time, and time demands protection.
Logistics become as critical as craftsmanship.
The factory waits, calibrated and ready.
Raw material enters a controlled world. Every step is logged, verified, and timed. The transition from transport to process is seamless.
Arrival marks the end of travel and the start of transformation.
Beyond the gates, precision replaces distance.
Entry is measured, controlled, and recorded.
Every movement here follows a mapped route.
Alignment ensures continuity inside the process. The interior is designed for flow.
Preparation prevents interruption. Material moves from transport to system.
From this point forward, the process takes control.
Entry is measured, controlled, and recorded. Every movement here follows a mapped route.
Alignment ensures continuity inside the process.
The interior is designed for flow. Preparation prevents interruption.
Material moves from transport to system. From this point forward, the process takes control.
Inside the factory, flow replaces handling.
The material is revealed, unchanged, and uncompromised.
Positioning sets the standard for what follows.
Surface impurities are removed without force. What does not belong is filtered away. Valuation refines selection. Decisions here define efficiency downstream.
Order is established before transformation begins.
The core process begins inside controlled steel. Hydration prepares the material for change. Motion replaces rigidity.
Time becomes an active ingredient.
What remains is what matters.
Chemistry enters the equation.
Transformation begins at a molecular level.
Inside the drum, raw material learns resilience. The material exits altered, but not yet complete. Control continues through every release. Time and environment reshape the structure.
Strength forms through restraint.
Durability is engineered, not assumed.
Consistency defines reliability.
The raw has become refined, ready for precision.
Precision now takes command.
Every surface is measured beyond the human eye.
Efficiency is calculated in real time.
Automation delivers repeatable accuracy.
Complexity is organized into order.
Protection begins at the boundary.
Alignment removes uncertainty. Automation hands over to craftsmanship.
Precision begins before the first stitch. Strength is built one stitch at a time. Separate parts become a single form. Durability is engineered where pressure lives. The edges reveal the standard.
Refinement enhances what structure provides.
Completion. Before release, every detail must prove itself.
The surface tells its own story.
Strength. Strength is measured, not assumed.
Every mechanism must endure repetition.
Performance is proven under pressure.
Protection is built into the finish.
Only approved pieces move forward.
Verification complete. The product advances.
Protection ensures the journey continues without compromise.
Finished goods take their final form in volume.
Storage is a pause, not an end.
And this is how modern factories produce Sanda leather briefcases from start to finish.
The product is secured for the world beyond the factory.
Every departure is logged and traced. Scale, precision, and discipline define the process.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.